Hello everybody. How are you today? So I'm fine, thank you. And you, Mayssoun? A little bit, I'm fine, I'm good, very good. I miss you. It's very bizarre today. It's very quiet. I'm not used to it being quiet. So, what day are we today? Today is Tuesday, March 17, 2020. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20. Okay? What is the weather like today? So looking outside, today is sunny. That's very good. It's sunny, okay? And is it cold? No, it's not cold. Is it hot? No, it's not hot. It's mild, okay? It's good. It's mild. It's nice. If you've got a garden, you can play outside and be good, okay? So we're going to do a little revision on our animals, okay? So what's this? It's a cat. Let's repeat. It's a cat. It's a cat. What's this? It's a duck. Remember what I said? So we smile and you say duck, okay? Very good. So we smile, say duck. Very good. What's this? It's a chicken. It's a chicken. You know, it goes bark, 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 bark. What's this? It's a dog. Okay, so the dog says woof woof. Who's this person? He's a person who works on a farm. It's the farmer. Okay? What's this? It's a turkey. What is it? It's a turkey. What's this? It's a rooster. It's a rooster. It goes cock-a-doodle-doo. In France, it says cocorico. In English, we say cock-a-doodle-doo, okay? What's this? It's a cow. And the cow says moo. And the cow, it gives us milk to drink. Delicious. And from milk, we can make cheese. Delicious. I like to eat cheese. I like cheese a lot. What's this? It's a pig. Like Peppa Pig for the little ones, okay? So it's a pig. It goes oink, oink, oink. It's very cute. Ooh, what's this? It's a goose. The goose says honk, honk, honk. Oh, look, it's a rabbit. You see, with the little ears like that. It's a rabbit. And the rabbit hops. It jumps up and down. Ooh, who's this? It's a donkey. It goes hee-haw, hee-haw. And this is a goat. Now the goat says meh, meh. Okay? It's a goat. Okay? And these are sheep. They go ba. Okay? These are sheep. And this is a goat. They are different. Okay? This guy says ba. This guy says meh. Oh, Lordy. What's this? It's a tractor. What color is the tractor? It's blue. So, it's a blue tractor. What's this? It's a horse. It goes neigh. And you gallop. It gallops. Let's not gallop. Right. I hope you enjoyed the vocab. Not very exciting, is it? Not like in class we can run around and play games. But I would like you to take these 5 minutes to revise a little bit, okay, during this week.